In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get and use Holobox and Type Souls. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to locate the Holobox, explore the starting area of the game. The Holobox can usually be found in a hidden chest or acquired from a specific NPC. The following step is to interact with the box. Once you find the Holobox, approach it and press the interact button, usually prompted on the screen, to add it to your inventory. And the third step is to access your inventory. Open your inventory menu from the main game screen, navigate to the items section to find the Holobox. The second last step is to equip the Holobox. Select the Holobox from your inventory and choose the option to equip it. This will enable its effects for your character. The last step is to utilize the Holobox. Use the Holobox during the gameplay to gain benefits like increased stealth or temporary invincibility depending on the specific attributes of the box. Follow these steps to effectively use the Holobox and enhance your gameplay experience in Type Souls. Thanks for watching.